Welcome to AU2GO's COVID-19 health check, an important part of keeping our community safe. In this video, you'll see how easy it is to do your health check before coming to campus. First, make sure you're logged into AU2GO. Once you've confirmed your login, you can go back to our home screen and select the COVID-19 screening tile. Follow these next easy steps and you are good to go. Answer each yes or no question honestly and truthfully. Agree to wear a protective face mask at all times and to abide by CDC social distancing regulations. And click Submit. You will then be cleared for or denied campus entry based on your answers. While you will not be required to show your screen to enter campus, you must be prepared to show your green clear screen at any given time. Site safety ambassadors will be stationed at various checkpoints throughout campus. Once you get your green clear screen, then you can get to class and enjoy our beautiful campus. Questions? Email healthandwellness@adelphi.edu. Thanks for doing your part to keep our community healthy.